Hi, I'm Jamal Khan, CEO of Elite Hub app for exclusive networking and deals. Today we're sharing a comprehensive blueprint to help beginners earn $5,000 per month in 2025. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to boost your income, these steps are designed to guide you toward financial success. Step 1, identify and develop marketable skills. So first of all, begin by assessing your current skills and identifying areas with market demand. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr highlight services in high demand, such as writing, graphic design, digital marketing. Invest time in developing these skills through online courses and practice. Step 2 is leverage online platforms. Create profiles on freelancing platforms to showcase your skills and start applying for jobs. Consistency and professionalism in your applications increases your chances of securing any clients. As you build a portfolio, positive reviews will help attract more and more opportunities, naturally. Step 3, diversify income streams. Don't rely on a single source of income. Explore various platforms and services to diversify your earnings. For instance, combining freelancing with selling digital products or affiliate marketing to maximize your income potential. Step 4 is scale your efforts. As your workload increases, consider outsourcing tasks or automating processes to manage time and to manage time efficiently. Well, scaling your operations allows you to take on more clients and increase your monthly earnings. Step 5 is monitor progress and adjust strategies. Regularly assess your progress and towards the $5,000 per month goal. Use analytics to identify what's working and where improvements are needed. Be prepared to adapt your strategies to stay aligned with market trends and client needs. Achieving $5,000 per month as a beginner is attainable with dedication and the right approach. We'll start implementing these 5 steps today, and stay committed to your financial journey. It's all about commitment. If you found this video useful and helpful, please subscribe and share it with others aiming for financial growth. And let me know in your comments if you have any questions.